Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. When the 2023 Ford Mondeo was unveiled, it marked a significant and somewhat unexpected chapter in the life of a storied nameplate. For 3 decades, the Mondeo had been one of Ford's most recognizable sedans, particularly across Europe, where it became deeply woven into the fabric of daily life. But the 2023 model was not a European comeback, it was a strategic, region-focused reinvention designed for markets where sedans still hold emotional and cultural weight. This shift reflects both the changing global automotive landscape and Ford's evolving identity. In telling the story of the 2023 Mondeo, one is really documenting the intersection of heritage, market strategy, and modern design. The origins of the Mondeo stretch back to the early 1990s, when Ford sought to create a world car, a single platform that could serve multiple markets. Over time, the Mondeo evolved into a symbol of practicality and understated refinement. Yet by the late 2010s, consumer preferences had changed dramatically. Crossovers and SUVs climbed to dominance, and the sedan, once the backbone of family transportation, was no longer a top priority in North America or Western Europe. Production of the previous Mondeo quietly ended, leading many to believe that the nameplate's era had passed. But this was not the end. It was an intermission. The 2023 Ford Mondeo emerged primarily for China and select international markets, reflecting an environment where sedans retain strong demand and cultural significance. Rather than position it merely as a continuation, Ford approached the new Mondeo as a forward-leaning expression of design and technology aimed at younger buyers, tech-savvy commuters, and those who still associate sedans with prestige and comfort. In many ways, the 2023 model became a showcase of how a familiar name can be reimagined for a new automotive era. Visually, the 2023 Mondeo presents a striking departure from its predecessors. It adopts a wide, commanding stance, with a grille that stretches across the front and LED lighting elements designed for theatricality as much as function. The lines along the body are sharp and deliberate, giving the car a Fastback-influenced silhouette that balances elegance with athleticism. Unlike the more conservative sedans of the mid-2010s, the 2023 Mondeo embraces a bold, contemporary aesthetic intended to compete with an increasingly design-driven segment. The interior reflects the accelerating shift toward digital-first automotive environments. The centerpiece is an expansive screen layout that stretches across the dashboard, integrating infotainment, navigation, and driver assistance displays. This layout is not simply a technological showpiece, it embodies the current consumer expectation that a vehicle should feel like a seamless extension of one's digital life. Soft-touch materials, ergonomic seating, and careful attention to cabin acoustics help align the Mondeo with a premium driving experience without crossing into luxury car territory. The 2023 Mondeo's powertrain offerings focus on efficiency and reliability, core values for the sedan-oriented markets it serves. While not designed as a performance flagship, the Mondeo's engine options deliver responsive power suitable for both urban commuting and highway travel. Emphasis is placed on smoothness, reduced emissions, and everyday usability rather than outright speed. This mechanical philosophy mirrors the broader industry trend in markets where consumers prioritize practicality and fuel economy over high performance. Much of the Mondeo's story is defined by Ford's broader strategic realignment. As the company doubles down on electrification, SUVs, and trucks in certain regions, the continuation of a sedan model, particularly under a legacy nameplate, signals Ford's desire to maintain a presence in global niches where sedans remain essential. China, where the sedan market is still robust, has become the anchor for the Mondeo's future. In that context, the 2023 model is not a nostalgic callback, it is a tailored response to modern expectations in one of the world's most competitive automotive arenas. For longtime Mondeo enthusiasts, especially those in regions where the model is no longer sold, the 2023 Mondeo may feel like a distant evolution. Yet its existence illustrates how car names can transcend geographic boundaries and adapt to changing market dynamics. It also stands as an example of how automakers selectively preserve heritage even as they reshape product lines to meet new realities. The 2023 Ford Mondeo ultimately represents continuity through reinvention. It honors the model's long history of serving everyday drivers while embracing the technological and stylistic demands of a new era. Though the Mondeo's global footprint has shifted, its 2023 chapter reminds us that automotive legacies rarely end abruptly, they evolve, adapt, and find new roads forward. This layout is not simply a technological showpiece. It embodies the current consumer expectation that a vehicle should feel like a seamless extension of one's digital life. Soft-touch materials, ergonomic seating, and careful attention to cabin acoustics help align the Mondeo with a premium driving experience without crossing into luxury car territory. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.